Hey everyone, thanks for joining us for another Airbrush Asylum pre-live video. Today we're going to show you what projects we're working on currently. So to kick that off, we're going to turn the camera around and I'm going to take you through a few of the projects, and some of which where we've started the airbrushing, others where they've just arrived. So it's going to be a pretty busy week of airbrushing. There'll be some new projects that you're going to be able to check out. So I hope you like what we're working on. You would have also seen lately the Airshot stencils. They sent us some of their templates to test. So if you haven't already, check out the raw videos of those. I'll pop the description links in this in the description for you, so you can check those out. They've been reasonably popular, which is great. So thanks for all the feedback regarding those raw tutorial videos. Alright, so let me just spin this camera around and I'm going to show you the first project that we're working on. Okay, so it is the Suzuki Boulevard tank that we're going to be doing. As you can see, it's all been prepped. So the customer, she wants to keep her, it's like a burgundy candy colour. So we're going to keep that, and she's getting a couple of murals on the side of the Walking Dead zombie. So this one's going to be loads of fun to do. The other thing that we've been working on is this Harley. So we're just taping out some ghost flames for this one. This is going over just a jet, real deep jet black. So again, it's all been painted by a painter, clear coated, then wet sanded, then we're working on top of that. So I'm just using the FBS real fine line tape, and still a few things I've just got to check before I tape up the rest of it and spray the ghost flames. I'll just tweak all of my pinstripe to make sure that all the curves are nice. You can see like a slight little bump in that area there, so things like that I'll go through and fix. This is pretty much just the layout. So that's the front guard obviously, and I've also laid out the rear guard. So this is what we did the sample panels for, which we also did a raw tutorial on. I'll show you those now. It's probably not going to be, probably won't see much actually, only because it is not out in the sun. So we can't really show you in the proper light, but people have asked what they looked like when they were cleared. So let me just go ahead and just show you the panels. Just give them a quick wipe, they're a bit dusty. So this is the more prominent panel. So you can see there with the clear. Now we just cleared this ourselves in the shop, so it's not done in a booth or anything. It needs to definitely be flow coated, but at least you get a bit of an idea of the strength of that one. Oh, you can see me. And then the more subtle one, hang on a minute, clean this one up a bit more for you. And this is the more subtle panel, so this is what he's actually going with, which is pretty cool. Sorry about the wind noises, it's a very windy day today, but I thought I'd better do another live sort of video to show you guys what we're up to. But yeah, so that panel's all done and that's what we're going with. So that'll be just the one coat on that one, whereas that one had 3 coats of pearl. So you can see quite the difference, but that'll look pretty cool because his bike will almost look black, and then as soon as you hit it in the sun, you're going to see those flames pop. So that's obviously his rear guard and his front guard, and the tank at the moment is over here, and I'm just working away on the Grim Reaper artwork. So still a bit of work to do. The reference was provided by the customer, but pretty happy with that so far. So a little bit more detail to add in, but we're getting there slowly. So I've been using pretty much my Micron CM-SB on this one, and Trident paints. Okay, so you get a bit of an idea of what that's looking like. So let me just flip the camera around. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that short pre-live video. We will see you again shortly with another video, whether it's a tutorial, a raw tutorial, or a proper step-by-step. We've got quite a few that we're working on at the moment, so there'll be something new coming very soon. If this is your first time to the channel, we'd love to have you hit subscribe and tap on that bell icon so that you'll get notified every time we put out new content. And until next time, I hope this has in some way inspired you to go grab your airbrush and create some more amazing artwork, and we will see you again very, very soon. Thanks for joining us. Bye for now, and get back to airbrushing.